and welcome to today's vlog. Yes, I know, I shaved. I look like shit. But today we are off to Hopewell, PA to visit a friend's shop to hopefully get this overdrive unit apart and back together. So let's go for a drive. Alright guys, we're over here at my friend's Sam's shop, and we already have the overdrive unit on the press. We're just gonna blow this out real quick, and maybe we'll take a look around the shop a little bit. Most of his cars are put up, but hey, you know. Alright, let's get this on. Let me switch the camera around and get this torn apart. Here she is back on the workbench. Got her snap ring, a wavy snap ring, the end plate, well, the clutch packs, which look really good. We're going to replace them anyway. We got all our clutch packs. Like I said, they look really good. Big spring. Alright, now we have to get out this other snap ring. This other one is tricky. I have to get this snap ring out from there. I'll get back to you when I get it out. And there you have it. Everything's disassembled. I gotta wash all this stuff off and then reassemble it. Well, there you go. It's all back together, and take it home. Get the rest of the transmission back up and together, and get this thing back on the road. Now that we're done with the overdrive unit, I was gonna come up here and film these, but they're still hibernating for the winter. You got his drag race Camaro right there. You got his two Jeeps up there, 78, 77, and you have the 81 custom Firebird up there, Trans Am. Right now he is working on his Chevy truck, just doing a basic respray. But these are the cars I came here to show you, and we uncovered this one here for a little bit, and I'll come back up here during the summer if you guys want me to, and show you what's underneath all these nice tarps. I know there's two Firebirds, the two Jeeps, the Camaro, and CHEVY that are sitting here on the property, and maybe I'll come up here this summer and we'll go share what he's got.